Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, I've got some juicy news that's causing quite the stir in the AI world. DeepSeek, a rising star in the Chinese AI landscape, just dropped a bombshell with their new large language model, DeepSeek V30324. And trust me, this release is shaking things up big time, so what's the big deal with DeepSeek V30324? This beast of a model is 641 GB and packs a whopping 685 billion parameters. It's available for free on Hugging Face under an MIT license, which means anyone can use it for commercial purposes without shelling out a dime. That's a stark contrast to the paywalled models from US companies like OpenAI and Anthropic. One of the coolest things about DeepSeek V30324 is its accessibility. You can run it on consumer-grade hardware like the new Mac Studio with the M3 Ultra chip. AI researcher Ani Hannon noted that the 4-bit quantized model achieves over 20 tokens per second on a 512 GB M3 Ultra. While the $9,499 Mac Studio might stretch the definition of consumer hardware, it's still a game changer to run such a massive model locally instead of relying on data centers. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. DeepSeek didn't launch this model with the usual fanfare. No white papers, no blogs, just an empty README and the model waits. This low-key release is a stark contrast to the orchestrated launches we see from Western AI firms. But don't let the lack of hype fool you. Early testers like researcher Zeofon report that DeepSeek V30324 surpasses Claude Sonnet 3.5 on internal benchmarks. That makes it the top non-reasoning model out there, and it's freely downloadable unlike the subscription-based Sonnet. DeepSeek's open-source strategy highlights a philosophical divide in the AI world. While US firms like OpenAI and Anthropic lock their models behind paywalls, Chinese companies like DeepSeek are embracing open-source licensing. This approach is a game-changer for China's AI ecosystem, empowering startups, researchers, and developers to leverage cutting-edge technology without the hefty costs. It's a multiplier effect that's rapidly advancing China's AI capabilities. This strategy reflects the competitive nature of the Chinese market, where well-funded rivals make proprietary models less viable. By open-sourcing their models, companies like Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent are fostering value through ecosystem leadership, APIs, and enterprise solutions built atop these free-based models. Another interesting angle is the efficiency factor. Chinese firms are facing restricted access to NVIDIA's latest chips, so they're prioritizing efficiency. DeepSeek V30324's deployment on consumer hardware is a perfect example of turning necessity into a competitive edge. Looking ahead, DeepSeek V30324 seems to be laying the groundwork for the upcoming DeepSeek R2 reasoning model, expected within 2 months. This could challenge OpenAI's GPT-5, pitting DeepSeek's open, efficient strategy against OpenAI's closed, resource-heavy approach. You can access the full DeepSeek model on Hugging Face, or use cloud options like OpenRouter and DeepSeek's chat interface for free. This open-source approach is reshaping the global AI landscape, narrowing the US-China AI gap from 2 years to just 6 months. It's a lot like how Android dominated the mobile market by driving innovation through accessibility. DeepSeek's quiet release is a powerful reminder that the future of AI isn't just about raw power, it's about empowering as many people as possible. Openness and accessibility might just be the keys to defining AI's ultimate influence. Stay tuned for more tech updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.